Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the best settings for Big Ballers VR. Let's dive right into optimizing your shooting power. Many top players find success with arm power set between 128 and 145%. For wrist power, a range of 137 to 150% is often recommended. These adjustments help you achieve a balanced shot with a strong, consistent flick, crucial for making those long-range baskets. Next, let's refine your dribbling and movement. Setting your dribble control between 80 and 100% provides excellent responsiveness, allowing for precise ball handling. For smooth navigation, choose the smooth turning option in your settings. Remember to practice diverse dribbling techniques, like switching hands and performing behind-the-back moves, to keep defenders guessing and create scoring opportunities. Now, let's explore some advanced shooting techniques to elevate your game. The slap shot involves releasing the ball midair, often with arm power around 129% and wrist power at 138% for a quick release. For fadeaway shots, aim slightly to the left or right of the rim, depending on your movement direction. Good shot selection is key. Know when to take an open standing shot versus a more challenging, contested one. Finally, consistent practice and personalization are vital. A great way to fine-tune your shooting power is to take 10 three-point shots from the top of the key. Adjust your power until at least 7 of those shots comfortably reach the rim, regardless of whether they go in. Remember, these are guidelines. The best settings are ultimately those that feel most natural and effective for your unique playstyle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.